Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. This is my mother's pressure canner. I think you can see what's wrong with it right away. Has to do with the handle broken there. But she had this back in, well, I'll tell you the date later on here. But I'm going to go ahead and I've been cleaning this up, trying to get it ready to use for canning. So basically, I found the website for Presto. It's a Presto model here, and they wanted one amount, and then the other I found on Amazon the same model number and stuff, and I ordered it, not realizing that when it came from Amazon, the interior package says, "Oh, made in China." So I compared the two together. I don't know if you can tell. This one's blacker. It's about this. It looks all the same size. The only thing different is, let's go over here and look at the screws here. Not sure if it'll focus on them here with the way the light is. Let me turn the can. That might work better. Okay, these are slotted. Okay, and these, get to look at one of them here, get it to work, get the light to shine on it right here. Okay, see, these are one of those funky screw heads. It's both slotted. It's supposed to be able to take a Phillips, but if you look closely at it, it's actually a square bit that goes in there, and if you use a Phillips on it, it starts to chew it up. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and use the original screws. So I'm going to try to move things around here and get it set up here so I can do this so you can actually see what's going on. So stand by a second. So I'm not exactly sure how this broke, but in the box that it was in originally, I found the pieces here for it, but I thought maybe I could just use a high temperature 2-part epoxy and try to put it together, but nah, it's going to be too much hassle. So I just ordered the new one here. And I know it's going to be wiggling on it because the table it's on is going to be a little soft, unstable here because not exactly the rock solid thing here. All right, so I got this off, that off. That old piece in there. Let's yeah. Now the new ones actually come with a lock washer, one of those. Not actually, no, I guess this is a lock. It's a lock washer, but it's not a normal type lock washer that's split. It's one of these crinkled star washer type things. But I guess I'll try using these. These are the same length, but these screws are a little bit shorter than new ones. So I'm going to go with, and also I'm not sure the threads actually match right. Looking at it, the newer ones are a smaller diameter thread, although the thread count matches up, but they're not the right size. So let me get these, let me see if I can put, yeah, the lock washers barely go on. So let me get them transferred to the new ones here, to the old ones. Probably one of the reasons why they have lock washers is to get it to lock down tight, because they're going to be, these screws would be a little loose in the hole. Yeah, I can feel it wiggles. It wiggles in the hole when it's in there. Yeah, that's not good. Alrighty, so get that in there. Line that first one up here. Get it just to start. There we go. Get the next one in here. Try to get lifted around so I get in the right. There we go. Finger tight that. that down there. Finger tight that, then give it a there we go. All right, and now I got a working lid. Woohoo! All right, so one of the things is the way this was stored away after my mom died. I'm not sure how it got stuck where it got stuck, but you know, the box it was in got wet somehow and deteriorated. On the bottom here, it's has the stamp in here. You're probably not going to be able to see this, but it has the stamp of the UR on it. You know, Underwriter's Laboratory on it, the model number and everything. The interesting thing is, though, when I go to look this up for parts, if I look up parts using, I have my finger here, the 20, where is it here? The model number 21-B. It's not focusing on it right, but 21-B. I can find all the parts. I can find the part list for it and everything else. However, to find the cooking instructions, if I enter 21B, it doesn't come up. I have to put CA21 for Canner 21 to get any instructions for this. And I downloaded the Presto PDF of the instructions for it. But one of the things here, let me go over here. These parts were all in the box with it, and I couldn't find these for the longest time, and so I went ahead and ordered another jiggler. Then the new modern jigglers look a little bit differently. There we go. There's the modern. There's the original. I've put them on a scale. They weigh exactly the same amount, 3.1 ounces. But so, anyways, when I was looking through the stuff, I found this piece of paper here that looked like it had an order, a clip and mail-in form, to get this. This came with it, and so there's the date there. May 28th, 1974 is when my mom sent off for the book. And I'll move over here, pull it over here. Oh, I found it stashed away in all my mom's books. The book for it. And my mom had a habit of doing this. So the book arrived in June of 1974. We were living in Fredonia, Arizona at the time. And then she made a note here, altitude, see bottom of page 225. I have not looked at this yet. See if I can find 225. 225. There we go. She has it marked there, a little pin around it. Cooking time should be increased 5% for every 1,000 feet above the first 2,000 feet. Okay, interesting procedure for it, but and then how to adapt favorite recipes, all sorts of cool stuff here. So yeah, this is going to be if I can get the pages to turn here, a nice index here and stuff, but yeah, so it has all sorts of other ones in there, but how to get the page to turn, man. Trying hard doing it one-handed. There we go. Cleaning instructions, sealing ring. Yeah, so all the neat things. Putting in the dishwasher to wash. Always remove the sealing ring, the automatic air vent before placing the dishwasher. Okay, yeah. Problem is, the vent tube they're talking about is this, which I really don't seem worried about that. I'd be more worried about the gauge going into the dishwasher. But anyways, so I now have a book for using this here, and I'm going to be working on some stuff here. And now that I got this working, turn it around here, and I've got the jiggler there for it. So yeah, now I can start doing stuff with it. And my first thing I'm going to be testing on it is just canning some water to make sure I get things working right here on it. Alrighty, so hey, check out for the videos coming out soon on how to do it, and it's going to be interesting. Now I just noticed something else here. I don't know if you can see it here. Try to get it here where it says closed and open, and it has a line here. So yeah, there it's open. That's the open part. So cool. Alrighty, folks, that's it, and I will see you around in the next video. Take care.